Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you how to take stem stitch. For that we need to draw some vertical lines. First, bring the needle from the starting point. Take a stitch, then from the midway of the first stitch bring your needle again up and again take one stitch. Back to the line like this. Again next stitch, again bring the needle midway of the second stitch and take one more stitch. On the line. Same way you have to continue. You can take like this also without going fully down. Just you have to take the next stitch by bringing the needle midway of the previous stitch and back to the line. So this was the stem stitch. Now I will show you a simple variation of this stem stitch. For the variation I am going to use only 3 of the strands. So I am going to split these strands and I am going to use only 3 strands of it. So like this you can easily split it and use the strands. So for the variation of this stem stitch I am going to use some beads, some green color beads with it. The variation is very simple. We have to take the same way as we did earlier for this stitch, but just we have to take for each stitch we are going to take one bead with it. So let's start. So for the variation we are going to take with every stitch we are going to take the bead first and then take the stitch. And bring the needle midway of the stitch for the second stitch. Now again if you like to take with the bead you can take the stitch, or you can take one plain stitch like this. Bring the needle again from the middle of the stitch and then again you can take a bead with the stitch, or you can also go with every stitch you can take the beads if you like to do it. So like this, one plain stitch, one with the bead, or if you like you can go all the stitches with the beads. This stitch is mainly used to make stems of floral designs, so hence it is named as stem stitch. And this stitch is generally used to make outlines of any designs. It gives an enhanced look to any design which is been outlined by the stem stitch. So this was the variation of the stem stitch. It is very easy and very useful stitch which is generally very used to make the stems of the floral designs and also to make the outlines of any designs. So thank you for watching my video. So if you like, please hit like and share, and please also do not forget to subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.